Hey, I'm Jason at Powerline Sentry. Today we're going to be talking about our Raptor Guard vertical mount spike nest deterrent. So this is designed to sit on distribution and tangent poles, and it's going to be placed over top of any wires you may have, conductors that have got bracketry, or you might have an insulator or dead end or some type of equipment in line here. This nest deterrent will mount above that, and this
Either downward or upward angle.
will help shed the debris that birds are dropping trying to make a nest in that area. This is going to be installed very simple and easy. It's going to come tied together with two what we call super strap zip ties. Now these super strap zip ties are kind of zip ties on steroids. They've got nylon rope reinforcement. They're 450 pounds of tensile strength in each one. And they actually have a little adjustment piece here that if you have a mistake, you can release it and take the zip tie back out for an adjustment. So the way this is mounted is very simple. It's only going to require your safety gear and a pair of pliers. We're just going to preload the actual zip ties. And these are going in two slots, very intuitive where the strapping is going to go. We're going to start this around our pole. Begin to start. You can see this little clasp popping here. That's the adjustment clasp. You want to keep your thumb on that because you're going to want to make sure that zip tie actually comes out over here by my right thumb under this plastic piece. So we're going to come across this way and you'll see it's come out there. If you don't hold that down, potentially it might come over top of that. You're not going to want that. You're going to have to readjust it if that occurs. Again, we're going to start our second zip tie here, the same way. Hold our thumb there, push that through. We're going to go ahead and adjust this to the proper height and area. Now this is an isolating device, so it does need the proper air gap. Make sure you know what voltage you're at in the air gap away from the equipment. We're going to tighten that down by hand. Take the second one. The final adjustment we might want to make as far as placement. Give that a good pull. And then you can take a pair of pliers, simply grab a hold of this and give it a little torque. Make sure you've got it as tight as you can. You don't want to try and break it. There's no need for that. Click out of there.
Works on concrete or steel poles.
They won't slip and slide around there at all. There we go. And it's done. Complete installation. Very fast. Only requires a pair of pliers and your normal safety requirements. Visit us on our website, Powerline Sentry, to see our other innovative products. And thanks for using Powerline Sentry.